Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to download Dailymotion videos. Okay, now first you'll have to go and search for anything or any video that you want to actually download from Dailymotion. So I'm gonna go to this one right here, Surat al-Baqarah. Then I'm gonna click on the share button, then click on copy link. After that, I want you to search for Dailymotion video downloader. Once you search for it, here you will find this option, Dailymotion Video Downloader. Just click on it. Then you should paste the video right here. Then click on the start menu. Now this is an ad. Close it. Do not click on free download, okay? Be careful. Be careful when downloading these things. So I'm gonna close this one. Then here you have the video. You can choose its format from here. You can even convert it to MP3 if you want. You can select many formats that are available on this website. You have your MP4, WebM, and so on. Once you're all done with the format, you can simply click on start download, just right here, then wait for a couple of seconds. It will show you here that it is downloading. And once you see here finished in 100%, you just have to click on download MP4. Okay, now let's say that you want to download a specific time span inside the video. You can simply click on cut file and choose from which minute do you want to download. Let's say that I want to download from minute 11 and to the end of the video, or to a specific minute or hour in the video itself. You can simply choose this option, cut file, then click on download MP4, and it will do the processing. And after that, you will be able to download the specific time span from the video or the video itself. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new tutorial.